nutrition health coach and founder and owner of Plant. And today we're making one of my favorite things. We're making a green smoothie. Next week is Thanksgiving, which is crazy. But also I just wanted to share like a daily green smoothie that you guys can do seriously every single day during the holiday season. I mean, you can do it year round, but I would challenge you at least to do it every day during the holiday season just to get all of your greens in and try to counteract and counterbalance all of the inflammatory foods that most of us are consuming during this season. So, daily greens, here we go. We're gonna start, I have my blender. I'm gonna do about a cup of homemade almond milk, and if you haven't made this from my other YouTube video, be sure to do that first. So a cup of homemade milk. I'm gonna do a little over a teaspoon of Blue Magic powder. This is the Blue Magic that we use at Plant. The company is E3 Live. We're not sponsored. I just love it. Blue Magic is great for inflammation in your joints. So this is one of my daily go-tos that I swear by. I am going to put about a tablespoon, or an ounce of lemon juice in here just to help the taste. I'm doing about 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds so that we have some protein. And then the bulk of my smoothie, I have about 2 cups of raw kale going in. I always put my greens on bottom and put the frozen fruit on top. I have about a cup and a half of fresh spinach. Put that in there. I have some celery. I'm not a big celery or cucumber person, so I like to blend them into my smoothies so that I get them in. And then this is some cucumber. And then I am gonna add a little bit of raw ginger. And then last but not least, I'm adding about a cup and a half of frozen mango. You can do any fruit you want. If you want to add a banana or blueberries, strawberries, anything works. I just really like frozen mango with my greens. And now we're ready to blend. Okay. Gosh, do you guys see this color? It's so pretty. I love this, like, I don't know, it's like this teal blue or green, I don't know. Okay, here is our smoothie. You can see it is so creamy and smooth. And that is unfortunately not thanks to the kale. That's thanks to the mango. So if you guys can see this, I'm trying to put it up here without spilling. Let me try it. It's so good. The hint of ginger, the mango makes it super creamy. You guys will love this. And if you don't love it, hopefully you can get yourself to get used to it. You can always add more fruit or a little bit of honey or something like that if you're really not used to doing green smoothies. But again, I recommend doing this every day during the holiday season. Get your greens in, help lower your inflammation so that all of the good stuff doesn't hurt us as much. But be sure to try this out, subscribe to our channel, and I will see you soon.